G'day. So, it's raining again. I'm actually standing underneath the scaffold, watching a spider about to go on the mic of the camera. And this way here, maybe I can keep the camera a bit dry, so I can film a little bit of what I'm going to do. So since we're getting non-stop rain, and it's going to be here for probably another 4 or 5 days, I'm going to work a bit in it anyways, because it's a version of the lighter rain right now. It's not coming down like torrential downpour at the moment, so we'll get what we can. So the floor is soaked. I think the dog wants up here with me. I closed in their little spot there where they're coming up on the steps. Gotta build stairs soon. Gotta vacuum up the floor. There's lots of water out here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to build, you hear? That's Rosie, that's the girl. She's very talkative, lets you know what she's thinking. So I'm going to build a platform across here. I got a 2x10s that I'm going to need for filling in my headers and doing stairs and stuff like that later anyhow. So I'm going to build a platform here just like I did last year. And then one over on that side too. So as we go along with the trusses, there's something to walk on to make it much easier. So that's the plan for today. Hopefully the rain just kind of stays like this. Never threw my rain gear on yet, but I plan to. Just I actually like the rain, so it just kind of, the spider's literally right here now. See, do you see it? I like the rain, but it just kind of sucks to work in after a while. But I'm going to get at her. Hopefully you can see something. Maybe I'll get the GoPro out and set it up somewhere. Alright, so we got a couple of 2x10s here to stand on. I put 2 there just to keep the prevent it from bowing too much on us when we're up there. Same thing we did last year, no difference. Just hammered that in, hammered that one to that one, toenailed this to the floor so it doesn't move around. Then just another 2x10 coming up there, and that 2x4 going up. Did that on all the sides. About 32 inches down from that, so lots of room to keep you from flipping over, and lots of room to reach up and do the trusses. Same thing over here. Pretty simple, but it makes a big deal. Big change. Used this today. This is awesome. It's all waterproof. Got that from a viewer. Got a couple of ones from a couple different viewers, which is awesome. Come in handy. But yeah, so that's the deck. Make it easy to work off, and I marked out up there. Here, I'll walk up, show you. Might as well. The 24 on center. So we got these. Where is it at? Here we go. Marked out the whole way down here. It's a pretty wet day. Good view up here. Right in the middle of the woods. So maybe we'll get at getting a few more of those up here. I don't know. Rain's picking up. Oh, no. Just let me do it. Oh, the ladder just right.
A little more. Yep.
One more. After this.
1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6.
back a bit. Back. Oh.
You sure?
They're pretty good.
Me to push that in? Don't matter.
I think it's pretty good. It's only out an inch or so.
Yeah. Balls. Good.
Yep. Yeah, there's something right in my teeth that felt like a... Oh shit.
What?
Bit.
Okay. That's good.
We're caught up in this ladder. You move it?
Think you're not on the ladder? Good in a minute, yeah.
Let me get that in there. This might point this way. You probably just make sure that that's safe.
I didn't even make sure that rock ladder was level. Did it! Yay! Victory is mine! We did it!
Yep. All right. That's it for today. So we'll get at the trusses, putting them up tomorrow, hopefully. And we'll see you then. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. See ya.
We're gonna go and eat soup.
At least she is.
I am,
Might
yeah.
need something more than soup.